Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through my CS50 web programming commerce project, which is an eBay style auction website built using Django. This application allows users to create listing, place bids, comment, manage watch list, browse by category and close auction. Let's dive into how everything works. This application includes at least three models beside built-in user model. First is listing. Listing contains title, description, start bid, basically everything about our listing. And the second is bid. It's linked to item, linked to user, and bid amount. And the another is comment, linked to item, linked to user, the comment text, and its timestamp. So now let's talk about active listing pages, which is also a default route. So when the user visits the home page, they see all the currently active listings, and each listing displays its title, description, current price, its category, number of bids, and the author, the timestamp. This ensures users can quickly browse all available auctions. So now let's talk about create new listing. So when we go to this page, we are getting a form which says to fill in a title, description, start bid, image URL, and category. And this only happens if you are logged in. So if you are logged out, you won't get the option to create a listing. So only people with accounts and logged in accounts can create new listing. So for example, let's create a listing. Listing start bid, image URL, categories, price. Now when I save the listing, I'm taken to the listing page, and this is the listing I just made. So as we can see, the listing we just made has appeared on our active listing page. So now let's talk about listing page. We have already seen it, but we will look again in detail. So this is the listing page. This is the most important page, and details like its title, description, category, author, created at, current price, and this is the page where you can actually bid for the product. So now let's look into another feature, which is watch list. If the user is signed in, they can add the listing to their watch list and also can remove it. So if I click it, now this item has been added to my watch list, and I can also remove it. So let's check it out. Yeah, it's here. And if I want to remove it, I can just simply click it again, and my watch list is now empty. Let's try with multiple listing. And as you can see, this is working. These are the two products that I have watch listed. So now let's look into our bidding system. So only signed in users can place bids. So for example, if I just log out from here and watch this, it's telling me to log in to place bids. So I'm just gonna log in again. And now I can see this interface where I can place the bids. So there are some validation rules. So the bid you are placing should be higher than the current price. And if it's invalid, you will get an error message. For example, 2 and the current bid is 30. So I will get this message. The bid must be higher than the current price. And if it's valid, it is saved and becomes the new current price. So now let's talk about closing the auction. If the listing creator is signed in, they can close the auction. And if the auction is closed, the highest bidder becomes the winner, and the listing is marked inactive and no further bids are allowed. So let's see if this works. I have closed the bid, and we can see auction closed. Winner is, which we'll do with $50. And let's see. See, now the listing is stated as inactive, and you can see the winner is getting the message. You won the auction with $50. Now let's look into comments. Only signed in users can post comments, and all comments are displayed below the listing. Let's see if this actually works. Yeah, we can see the comment is posted, and let's check if everybody can see those comments. So I'm gonna log in with a different account, and as you can see, this is visual 2, visual 1, and everybody can see the comment. This adds interaction and discussion to the auction. So now let's talk about our category page. Category page displays all the category we have, and clicking on any category shows only active listing in that category. This improves filtering and make it organized. So now this is Django admin interface. Using Django's admin panel, an admin can view all the listing, edit listing, delete listing, manage bids, manage comments. So as you can see, we have all the models that we have created in listing. You can see all the listing that we have and all the details, and we can edit it, delete it, and comments, category, bid. This makes backend management easy and very powerful. That was my CS50W commerce project. If you have any questions about Django or CS50 Web, drop them in the comments, and thanks for watching.